let's do it.
Ma, I don't think we should stay in. We should get far.
No, I'm about to videotape this shit.
It's popping.
Let me get in front. There's a fire.
Shut up.
It's popping. Come here. The window's gonna start popping.
Oh, it's about to blow. Don't blow. Where is the fire truck? Oh my gosh, where's the fire truck? Oh my gosh. No, Papi, lock the door. Close the door, Papi. Oh, that shit is about to blow, yo.
Yeah, Susie's that way, man. You crazy. Oh my lord.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, Susie.
My business. Where's the fire truck? Call back 911.
God, they come. They say they coming.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. I stay away from windows. I don't know. I'm crazy. My car. My God.
My business. It's about to blow. No, don't blow. Don't blow.
Oh,
Don't blow.
Fire department gotta come.
Please don't blow.
Those cars keep
Where's the fire truck? Oh my God. I can't believe they're not here yet, yo.
Susie, I'm nervous. Oh my God, that's gonna blow.
Oh my gosh. Let me get away from here. Yo, the fire truck ain't even here yet, yo.